2022 to 2025 Toyota Corolla rear seat USB charger replacement, this guy right here. So what I do is I'll put my fingers underneath the panel right here and just kind of wiggle and pull it forward very gently until it kind of starts to pop loose, and then I'll make my way around it and then just kind of gently pull it forward. Don't rage rip it off because there's a wire harness right there. Make sure you don't lose these red tabs anywhere. If they pop off, just put them back on the studs. Here's our connector. There's a little thumb tab or finger tab in the middle. Push it down, pull the connector out. Then we could take this panel and if you look at the top and bottom of this USB port, it has two retaining tabs on top and two on the bottom. What you want to do is you want to compress them and then push this guy forward. So I kind of have one hand because of my camera, but you squeeze the tabs on the top and bottom and then push it outwards and it'll pop out the front of the panel. Now here is the part number. If you look up this part number on a Toyota parts website, you can get this exact one. I'll link it below. It fits 2022 to 25 Corolla, but there's also ones on Amazon. It's an aftermarket one you could get that fits a 23 to 25 Corolla. It's half the price, so I'll link them below and let you decide which one you want to do. All you gotta do is push it back in place. Hey guys, real quick, if you own a 12th generation Toyota Corolla, I just want to let you know I do have a repair tutorials video pack. It's over 17 videos of repair videos and other stuff. Basically all the most common repairs and some uncommon repairs that you'll run into owning a Corolla. It comes on a USB stick. It also includes the front brakes, PDF tutorial walkthrough, other PDFs. You get all the part numbers, you get links to the featured tools and all the parts, aftermarket and OEM. All you gotta do is go to my fourth wall page, link below, go to the video pack, add it to your cart. And then if you're on desktop, you can just go to the right and hit checkout. If it's on mobile, it's a lot more easier. Put in your shipping address, your payment info, and then shortly after that, you'll receive your USB stick in the mail. It's $19.99, but it's totally worth it. I highly recommend it. All right, back to the video. So it should snap in place. Once you have it all together, all we gotta do is plug in our wire harness right here. This can only go in one way, just plugs in with that little thumb button on the top. And then just line the tabs up and then push them back in the holes. Make sure those red clips aren't in the holes, because you're gonna have to push, this back in. Just gently line it up, push it in place. It should kind of snap in place, and that's it, guys. You're all done. No programming needed, no radio stuff. It should just work right away. All right, thanks. Guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off Oxido.com promo code. Now, Oxido has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is, they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GuillermoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, that stuff, and then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type Guillermo Auto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.